Good morning, everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. Basically, today I will teach you, science. The subject is science, basically, class from class 8. Today, we will discuss our first topic, first chapter, that means crop production and management. Basically, the subject topic is crop production and management. Crop production and management. It is the first chapter of class 8. So today we will discuss what is the crop production and management. What is the meaning of management? What is the meaning of crop production? Production, that means in generally crops that means production of plants. Crops, that means production of plants. So we can say that crops, that means production. PRODUC, production. Crops, that means प्रोडक्शन. तो प्रोडक्शन किसका, मतलब प्रोडक्शन दैट मीन्स क्रॉस, दैट मीन्स प्रोडक्शन. प्रोडक्शन किसका, तो प्रोडक्शन दैट मीन्स प्लांट्स. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट, टीएस प्लांट्स. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स दैट मीन्स which gives us grain. That means that kinds of plants which give us grain. इसको हम ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं कि that kinds of plants that kinds of plants we can say that kinds of plants which gives us grains. That means production of plants production. Crop that means plant. The production of plants. Crops, that means production of plants. Crop, that means production of plants. So which kinds of plants? That means production of plants, that means which kind of plants, that kinds of plants which give us grain, which gives us grain, which gives us grain. दैट मीन्स इन हिंदी का नॉर्मली हम समझेंगे इसको, तो मेरा कहने का मतलब हो गया कि वो सारे प्लांट्स दैट मीन्स ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स विच हैव, दैट मीन्स दे गिव्स अस ग्रेन, इट्स कॉल्ड प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स. दैट मीन्स एग्जांपल, सपोज दैट मेज, MEZI, मेज, pulses, rice, etc. See, that means grains, that means maize, as maize, pulses, rice, mustard, etc. These are the plants that give us grains. That means production of plants and management. Management कहने का मतलब हो गया, that means the word is management. मतलब how to prepare, what are the procedure is going on beyond this. That means before production of plants and after production of plants, how to minimize, that means how to maintain it. That means storage, harvesting, मतलब all the process which is related to the production of plants. That means वो सारी विधियाँ, वो सारा का सारा प्रोसेस जो प्लांट के प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड होगा, दैट मीन्स मैनेजमेंट, उसका हार्वेस्टिंग, उसका रख रखाव, दैट मीन्स उसका स्टोरेज, ऑल दीज थिंग्स that come under the management. So basically crop production and management. So today we will discuss normally the crop production of management. The crop production and management is the first chapter of class 8. The chapter basically belongs to biology. That means इसको हम लोग बायोलॉजी में रख सकते हैं. तो बेसिकली आज ये बायोलॉजी का पहला पार्ट है. We will discuss briefly. We will discuss on it briefly. So that means that kinds of plants. That means that kinds of plants which give us grains, like maize, pulses, rice, mustard, etc. These are the examples of plants. Basically crop production of plants. Production that means production of plants. किसका प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है? प्लांट्स का. As we know that all the living things need foods, because without foods they cannot grow. Because without food any living things, that means they have life. They can't survive in the earth. That means every living thing, each and every living things required foods. So basically foods required foods for their minor, their major work, their major work. So food is necessary. Food is necessary for all the living things. Doesn't matter they are animals, insects, birds, human being, green plants, and other things. That means they come under the living things. That means they need food for their लाइफ, फॉर दियर रेगुलेटिंग लाइफ प्रोसेस. दैट मीन्स उसके जीवन को चलाने के लिए फूड्स बहुत ही फंडामेंटल चीज़ है. मतलब दैट मीन्स कि विदाउट फूड वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. फूड इज नेसेसरी. So we are going to write some points which is important regarding to the topic. So basically as we know that food is the fundamental things for all the living things. That means कि without food we cannot imagine कि our life is going on or not. That means ये चलेगा या फिर नहीं चलेगा. We can't think. We can live only few days. Without food, but we can't live in longer time without food. So food is the fundamental things for any living things. For any living things, for the energy. That means energy. So we will write some basic points. On the blackboard. Please note down all these points. All living organisms, all living organisms like human beings, animals, plants and insects. All living things, all living organisms. That means living things. Living things like human beings, animals, plants and insects. You all living organisms like human beings, animals, plants and insects need food for their growth. I told you before that food is the fundamental things. For all living things. Doesn't matter they are animals, birds, human being, insects, plants. So every living things needs food. Due to this, I write that all living organisms like human beings, animals, plants and insects need food for their growth. That means कि उसका बढ़ना, उसकी संख्या में वृद्धि होना. That means they are growing, they are reproducing and other life process. Food is the fundamental things. So basically as we know that nutrients as on the basis of habit. That means अगर न्यूट्रिशन के हिसाब से हम डिवाइड करें, दैट मीन्स बेसिकली दो टाइप से होता है. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि ऑल द लिविंग थिंग्स कैन बी कैटेगराइज्ड autotrophous or heterotrophous. Heterotrophous is a mode. That means is a method to making their food. That means कि green plants is a autotrophous. Autotrophous that means auto का मतलब होता है self. That means self. So they can make their own food itself. That means autotrophous modes of nutrition. That means in this category all the living things, autotrophous mode of nutrition. That means in this category all the living things can able to make their own food itself. And heterotrophous modes of nutrition, in this mode of nutrition all the living things they cannot make their own food itself. They are completely dependent on other. That means plants, animals, birds. These are the things they are taking as a food. So on the basis of these things we can divide the modes of nutrition modes of nutrition, that means autotrophous or heterotropous. So autotrophous, the green plants are autotrophous, and human beings and animals and other things, they are heterotropous. So basically the green plants making their own food. Green plants making their own food. Due to this, the green plant is a autotrophous. Due to this, the green plant is a autotrophous. Green plant is a autotrophous. Autotrophous. Green plant is a autotrophous. Second point is that in the process, the green plants can the green plants can synthesize that means they can make, in the place of this word we can place make. So in the green plants can synthesize their food their food. The green plants can synthesize their food by the process of photosynthesis, by the process of photosynthesis, by the process of photosynthesis, in the presence of synthesis, by using inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. तो बेसिकली क्या है कि ग्रीन प्लांट्स जो है, तो ग्रीन प्लांट्स कम अंडर द ऑटोट्रोपस मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. तो क्या कह रहा है कि द ग्रीन प्लांट्स कैन सिंथेसाइज, दैट मीन्स कैन मेक देयर फूड by the process of photosynthesis, by using inorganic substances, like CO2, that means carbon dioxide, water, and in the presence of sunlight. तो सनलाइट की उपस्थिति में, दैट मीन्स ग्रीन प्लांट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर और सनलाइट की उपस्थिति में अपना भोजन, दैट मीन्स अपना फूड को खुद से बना सकता है. दैट मीन्स दे कैन एबल टू मेक देयर ऑन फूड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, इसलिए उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ड्यू टू दिस द ग्रीन प्लांट्स कैन वी कैन से दैट ड्यू टू दिस ग्रीन प्लांट वी कैन से दैट green plants is a autotropous modes of nutrition by the process. So basically the question may be बन सकता है, that means question may be create हो सकता है like that, define photosynthesis. Question number one, define question number one is define photosynthesis. Define photosynthesis. Define photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? That means define photosynthesis or what is photosynthesis. Question may be create. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The question is maybe define photosynthesis or what is photosynthesis. So we can write that photosynthesis is a process. We can write the answer of this questions कि photosynthesis is a process, like that. Okay, answer. You can write all these words. That means you can write the last definition. It is also correct. You can write the last definition. It is also correct. or you can write also like that. That means the photosynthesis is the process. Photosynthesis is the process is the process photosynthesis is the process photosynthesis is the process photosynthesis is the process in which photosynthesis is the process in which in which in which photosynthesis is a process in which the green plants the green plants the green plants photosynthesis is the process in which the green plants makes their own food their own food their own food. Photosynthesis is the process in which the green plants makes their own food makes their own food makes their own food in the presence of in the presence of carbon dioxide carbon dioxide that means CO2, water that means H2O and sunlight so you can write this definition. This is the answer of this. That means when the question is arising, when the question is define photosynthesis or what is photosynthesis, you can write the answer. Photosynthesis is the process in which the green plants making their own food makes their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Sunlight कहने का मतलब होता है sunlight as a fuel. That means heat ईंधन जैसे ईंधन. Suppose that when we are making our food, so before that we are using woods, LPG gases and other substances as a fuel. That means they gives us energy. That means heat. After that we will able to make the food. So similarly the sunlight is a form of energy. It a heat energy. So green plants taking this sunlight for as a energy, that means heat energy, as a fuel, that means as a indhan. So this they can be also called fuel or in Hindi indhan. So photosynthesis is a process in which the green plants making their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Water and sunlight. The next important point is crops. The next important point is crop. CROP, crop. The next important point is crop. The next important point is crop. So crop, that means in Hindi as a fasal. So fasal, that means production of plants. Fasal, that means production plants in a large area. Or it can be say that like that, the production of similar plants in a large area. The production of similar plants in a large area is called crop. Suppose that कि rice की खेती होती है. So rice, that means they are growing in a large area. That means this is the crop. So crops may be defined as crops may be defined as as per the statement. Crops may be defined as the same kinds of plants. I told you, the same kinds of plants. The same kinds of plants are grown. The same kinds of plants are grown in the fields. fields or large area, or large area. In the fields or large area. That means in the fields or large area, large area or large scale. Doesn't they both have the same thing? Scale, SCALE, scale. Large area or large area or large scale. Both have same things. That means field as a maidan, The crops may be defined as the same kinds of plants. Same kinds of plants. PLANTS plants. The same kinds of plants are grown in the fields or large scale or area. In the field or large scale or area to obtain as a food. That means grains like wheat, maize, mustard, and other plants like wheat, rice, maize, like wheat, rice, maize, pulses, vegetables, etc. It is called crops. It is called crop. See once more. Crop may be defined as the same kinds of plants. Grown in the field or large scale. To obtain grains. Like maize, rice, wheat, rice, maize, pulses, vegetables, and etc. It is called plant. It is called crop. In simple words, it can be defined as the production of similar kinds of plants. The production of similar kinds of plants. The production of similar kinds of plants. The production of similar kinds of plants in a large scale. In a large scale, the production of similar kinds of plants. In a large scale to obtain that means grain. The production of similar kinds of plants in a large scale. To obtain krill and grains. That means grains for fulfill the requirement of food. It's called crop. That means it is called crop. You can define in your words. But the method is that you will understand. Before that what is the actual meaning of crop. How to define it. In a simple word. So simply we can define as the production of similar kinds of plants. The crop is the production of similar kinds of plants in a large scale to obtain a grain. So why? Because we need food na. For taking as a food. Why we are growing grains? Because we need food. We are taking all these grains in a different form, in a different ways, as a food. The crops. Some basic points regarding the fasal. Crops. That means crops. Regarding the crops. A crop is called 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 फसल. A crop is called फसल. That means FASA फसल in Hindi. That means crops also known as a fasal. Crops also known as a fasal in Hindi. That means the second name is the crop. The second name of the crop is fasal in Hindi. Crop is also called fasal in Hindi or crops in Hindi. A crop is called fasal in Hindi. Crop is called fasal in Hindi. So basically, as we know that all kinds of plants, that means like wheat, rice, maize, mustard, and other plants. So just like a vegetables, different kinds of vegetables, so cauliflower, cauliflower, carrot, radish, brinjals, peas, and all the vegetables and all the fruits. They cannot grow up in a similar season. That means they cannot grow up in a similar season. That means suppose that winter season and summer season. Basically season. That means season, duration of time, that means season, that means SEAS and season, that means it has different meaning. Weather or season both has different meaning. Weather, that means it is changes with respect to time in a simply in normally. Suppose that morning is rainy and afternoon is sunlight, so that is the weather. That means season is a long period. That means the weather is, that means the weather is similar in a long period. That means suppose that in simple language, suppose that winter season, that means winter season start from November. That means ये नवंबर से start होता है और end of the फरवरी, that means it is मार्च तक चलता है. तो ये क्या season है? That means long period. It takes time, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 4 months. That is the season. अब सपोज करो कि मॉर्निंग में बारिश हो रही थी, अभी धूप हो रही है. दैट इज द वेदर. इट चेंजेस शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन में. ये शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में क्या करता है? इट विल बी चेंज. बट सीजन विथ शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम कैन बी चेंज. तो सीजन, तो दैट मीन बेसिकली अगर सीजन को हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो बेसिकली सीजन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 वेज. दैट मीन्स विंटर सीजन और समर सीजन. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस, on the basis of two seasons, the crops grow on 2 ways. In some kinds of plants are, या फिर some kinds of crops grow on in winter season and some kinds of crops grow on in summer season. The second name is this, rabi crops and kharif crops. So types of crops. Basically types of crops. Types of crops. So basically different crops, the same things I am going to write on a blackboard. Different crops, grown well in different crops grow well in different seasons. Different crops grow well in different season, different season of the year, year. That means जो भी प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स जो हो रही है, देखिए प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स जो अभी है, जो भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स कि दे आर कंप्लीटली डिवाइडेड इन 2 ways. वन इज विंटर सीजन और सेकंड वन इज समर सीजन. तो ऑल द प्लांट्स कैन नॉट ग्रो, ऑल द प्लांट्स या फिर ऑल द ग्रीन प्लांट्स कैन नॉट ग्रो इन अ सेम सीजन. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स ग्रो वेल इन डिफरेंट सीजन ऑफ द ईयर. दैट मीन्स कि 1 ईयर के ड्यूरेशन में डिफरेंट प्लांट्स डिफरेंट वेदर में या फिर डिफरेंट सीजन में क्या होता है, ग्रो करता है. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस, बेस्ड ऑन द सीजन. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दैट बेस्ड ऑन द सीजन, एज वी नो दैट कि बेसिकली जो भारत का जो कृषि है, दैट मीन्स कि इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर जो है कंप्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द मानसून. एज वी नो दैट कि इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर, दैट मीन्स कि भारतीय कृषि जो है वो कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट है किस पे? मानसून पे. दैट मीन्स अगर मानसून अच्छी रही तो क्या होगा, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स या फिर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स वेल रहेगा, और मानसून पुअर रहा दैट मीन्स तो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स या फिर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स ये वेल नहीं होगा। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट, on the basis of this statement, based on the based on the based on the based on the seasons based on the seasons based on the seasons based on the seasons all the crops all the crops all the crops based on the seasons based on the seasons all the crops based on the seasons all the crops all the crops all the crops are categorized 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 into two ways two ways two ways two ways क्या कह रहा है कि based on the season based on the season all the crops all based on the season crops are categorized into two ways crops are categorized into the first one is खड़ी crops KHARIF खड़ी crops and second one is that rabi crops rabi crops the first one is the खड़ी crops and second one is in the rabi crops हम किसके बेसिस पे डिफाइन कर रहे हैं इसको, मतलब कैसे कैटेगराइज कर रहे हैं, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सीजन season crops are categorized mainly two ways, one is kharif crops and second one is rabi crops, first one is kharif crops and second one is rabi crops. So basically we will define what is the duration of rabi crops या फिर how to define the kharif crops, we will see all these things. kharif crops खड़ी KHARIF खड़ी क्रॉप्स CROPS खड़ी क्रॉप्स। तो सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है दैट मीन्स कि द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक कि व्हाट इज खड़ी क्रॉप्स या फिर डिफाइन खड़ी क्रॉप्स। तो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है, डिफाइन DEFI डिफाइन खड़ी क्रॉप्स KHARIF खड़ी क्रॉप्स CROPS क्रॉप्स। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या होता है कि डिफाइन खड़ी क्रॉप्स तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिफाइन the kharif crops. First of all we will define the kharif crops. The crops which are answer the crops which are sown in the crops which are sown in rainy